come there, and then they use him to do caricature. And that caricature is against any person from Biafran or from Igbo, anything at all. They are just using him as a caricature on us. But every time these people are dragging him in. Most of my word, they will go there again to say, do a different thing. Why are they dragging him there? Why are they pushing him to go to that nonsense school? Thinking that they will get something there? The answer is no. Now, all the governors now, it's a game. They are playing very smart game because 2027 is approaching. Now they are using all this chameleon and all this evil, like Agando Chonando here, with the governors. Many of them want to use Mazen and Namdekan as another against chief to play a game to see how it will work for them. Thank God we have already declared the nation. You cannot do it 2 times. It's only once. All these idiots jumping up and down.
She said she's going to declare it again.
Who will declare?
Lazuba. Maybe
Lazuba. Lazuba, all Sudanese that are following. 90% of them is Fulani.
Yeah, it's true.
These people, but many people doesn't know. Every time we go nobody. I think people watching him just to see what he has done, the new thing he wants to say about Ngozi. That's why people are just going there to watch him. Otherwise, he's completely unknown. Nothing is him in her. Where I'm going today is all these lawyers, I don't believe in them. From A to Z, all of them, they are completely worn out. I don't believe in them. And if anybody is trying to listen to them anymore, you are doing yourself more harm. Because nothing good will come out from them.
Exactly.
They know that we are on the right channel. And now, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is in the blind spot. They are not telling him what exactly is happening outside. Maybe they will tell him our brother Simon is also behind. That also will weaken him more. Because when Simon is with us, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is feeling healthy because of the tempo.
You study computer science.
He thinks that tempo is no more there. Then he's getting more weak, like before. But I'm assuring you, these people doesn't know the game that is coming for them. They don't know the next thing that is coming for them. I will use my mic for our sister. You can go ahead. Thank you so much
God bless
for
you.
the opportunity.
Thank you. I really appreciate it. We always feel happy to have you. Thank you so much. Thank you. River Goddess, please unmute your mic. Sorry about that.
No problem. When somebody is like maybe in an office or something, that's what we do. You know, if you have that destiny, you can allow somebody else.
Thank you for understanding.
Yeah, I greet everybody in the house. All the brethren at the comment section, you guys are doing great. Mazekai, thank you. There is always a leading and there is always a saying, Madam Origin, I greet you. Triple N just hit the nail. and Obi-Wan.
Yeah, because you're a little bit down. Can you speak up a little bit?
Hello, can you hear me now?
Yeah, we can hear you. I think somebody saying that your voice is low, that you should add more energy, right? Obi-Wan. I think that's what we're trying to put the next thing.
Yeah, but I think it's a little bit better now. Yeah, we can hear you.
Obi-Wan. Biafrans, I want to talk to Biafrans, genuine Biafrans. And the message that is being pushed, you people should be wise to understand. If I know the daughter of perdition, because at times calling her name looks to me like an abomination. Kai Olia, Kedifa Kaya na Boya, Ezenagu. And the daughter of perdition, my phone. This video that is played now, it was all playing on people's side, playing on people's mind, and people maybe they can join this struggle as of this moment or a few months ago. Now what but they had cracked not like us. We know you cannot manipulate our mind because we are in this, and anyhow you try to manipulate it, we will decode you. People, Obi-Wan,
Okay now. Aluta.
Then, Onwelife, daughter of perdition, Cholime Lasuba. That is, ihe mean Lenambo, Iyana group, yeah. She wants to be a leader at all costs. I know that ya wenye area. Yeah, that is what I am seeing. This sit at home, you sit down and our own weapon. Other countries did that. Indians, they did that. The women, they protested. That is our own. And at a point, Nnamdi Kanu himself, our leader, know that this thing has gone off the hook. Also, go stop it at home. But it is a spirit. It cannot be stopped anymore. Get it to your thick skull. Then, Maxwell, as of then, Maxwell collect Lego. Maxwell was working against this because we had Maxwell, we had Carol White. And when Maxwell made that statement, Biafran he hit himself because that's a Kalawunyelie. You understand? So yeah, Thursday, because one of my brother that spoke was saying that they cut out this thing and sent to daughter of perdition. Because she cannot decode. With the room, then the one on her bazimba. All the so government in or Western they are now that this sick at home cannot hold, that she is fighting against it. Then I am asking, is there anything you have fought for that is in about and say, yeah, this movement is good? You are always a fighter, fighting against. And any moment you start fighting for good, we know you. You are a negative energy. We know you. You are a negative vibe. We know you. You are a corrupt spirit. Kedonye bụ ịbịabalụ Genu Biafrans Mbamo in your order. So that is what I have just found out. This is two parallel lines. Ebe Ngozi Orabeeze dị ka ọ dị mụ, ọmụ dị ife ya dị ka ọ dị mụ. So when Ngozi Orabeeze give instruction, mụ enwere m government nke m. My followers will believe in my government. Then we will counter it. It's not done like that. Genuine Biafrans, get this and get it very well in your brain. When for outside the struggle, we know that you are no more in this, and we are not counting on you. This Ebekodike, like my brother Kokai, you have not deleted this number. You have not blocked this number. And this is a channel you people are using to work. Then countersigning what we are doing. Let me tell you, Condemned Engine Oil Group. Let me tell you, there is nothing you can ever do that will deter what we are doing. Genuine Biafra, anya noze na imago ịgbafu egbe, anya noze na woto, anya noze na ihe anyị na-eme acquire is document, step by step, process by process. That's what we are now. We have woken up, whether you like it or not. And let me ask you, Condemned Engine Oil Group, is there anybody, like at times your group, IQ, sense, I don't know how your mind, I don't know but that. I won't say illiterate. I might not say that, but vision. No wonder they said that in a country where a blind man is leading in the Nafoso, they will all fall into the pit. So that is the era we are now. So, even in a fight yanka, a fight yanka. Keep on fighting against what you are fighting. But with the genuine Biafrans, we will keep doing what we are doing. And because you people have failed woefully, before I round up, enwere egwu Oliver de Coke ụmụnne m obi nwa ma pịsị ka m wenite onu ka m gụọ ọlụ gị ngwụcha anyị dị koodu onye Oliver de Coke sị ife niile ịgwalụ m ịma n'otu abụ n'ezi ife niile ịgwala anyị ịma n'otu abụ n'ezi anyị ma n'ọba asị ka ị na-asịla anyị ịma n'otu abụ n'ezi anyị ma n'ọba asị ka ị na-asịla anyị ịma n'otu abụ n'ezi ofu nkịta na dinta ya agala ọbịa tajele ịgba anụ ofu nkịta na dinta ya ajele ịgba anụ tajele ịgba nta a na-eme ka a na-eme nkịta tagba ofe anụ dị n'ọfịa dinta ebula anụ kpọọ ndị ezinụlọ ya onye ekwe na nkịta jedebe unu gee ntị ite anụ dị n'ọkụ onye ọbụla nekwa nkịta na anya bụ nkịta na-ezu ori nkịta na-anya n'iko asị ka akpụta nkịta ka egbue nkịta na-anya n'ite ofele asị ka akpụta nkịta ka egbue mana ọ bụ nkịta tagburu ya bụ anụ anyị malụ nke bụ eziokwu. It is like a proverb. Maazị Nnamdi Kanu, Simon Ekpa, Ngozi Orabaeze, they are our leaders. We know them. Ma unu bụ ndị pụtazili na-asị na nkịta melie anya bụ onye tagburu ya bụ anụ bụ na akpọzi adatị nkịta onye ori. We know our leaders. Our leaders know us. We hear their voice and we follow them. The voice of a stranger we will not follow. Thank you so much, Maazị Kai.
Too much. Especially that what makes sense. I don't know perfect even in it.
So if you are telling all of us, that is My dad is 50.